Phenomenal leadership is the heart of any productive organization. At the Center for Creative Leadership, we set leaders on the right track through Lead for Success. This results-driven 2-day program builds the leadership fundamentals that are critical to success at all levels of an organization.
The Center for Creative Leadership has been fantastic to partner with. At my company, Arch Mortgage Insurance, we have a very strong technical manager base, and we really wanted to take that and take it to a different level.
Participants immerse themselves in invaluable instruction and hands-on peer-based activities, catapulting them to the next level of effective leadership.
We selected Center for Creative Leadership because we really thought they had the best programs and their ratings have consistently been in the top on a global level.
Based on CCL's extensive research, Lead for Success teaches 4 fundamental skills that are critical for every leader at every level: self-awareness, learning agility, influence, and communication.
The 4 components that comprise the program are exactly the skills and the foundations that we want for our leaders to have.
The results of the program thus far have been fantastic. The top benefits that we've heard from our leaders is really around communication, specifically feedback to employees, self-awareness and a conscious focus on leadership brand, and learning agility, and really seeing failures as ways to learn.
And you determine where you want to be trained. You can select one of our global locations for the training. We can come to your office to train your team, or we can train your team leaders, who can then facilitate the program at your location.
The Center for Creative Leadership trained our team on how to run the Lead for Success program to really make the training relevant and impactful to our employees.
Lead for Success, a global leadership program. We do more than just train, we transform. Start the leadership transformation today.